Hey guys, here we got here a Frigidaire PurePour PWF1 water filter for Frigidaire refrigerator. This is the model I need. Make sure you check your model number, but I'm going to show you how it's installed. So let's get to it. All right, first, everybody's probably going to be different. Mine, you got to push, it'll pop out. As you can see, I usually write the date so I know when it was changed. You take the old one out. I like to make sure they match up, which they do. Then you take the little caps off like that. And then just like this one comes out, you push this one back in. At least mine will not go in any other way except that it's designed. I'm assuming most of the Frigidaires are like that. So it moves positions. Okay. Took a second, but there you go. You pop it back in. Like I said, I recommend, I didn't do it. I'll do it after this video. I recommend writing when you change it, just in case you forget, or set your reminders. And I definitely recommend getting the Frigidaire and not the aftermarket.